The freelance gold rush of the early 2020s is officially over. If you are still relying on generic Upwork gigs or basic copywriting heading into 2027, your income is likely down 30% from this time last year. But an elite group of nomads isn't just surviving. They are actually increasing their net worth during this 2026 slowdown. Subscribe. New Nomad finance strategy drops every week. Unlike 2025, where high-speed internet and a laptop were enough to command a premium, the 2026 market demands hyper-specialization. The slowdown isn't a lack of money, it's a flight to quality. According to a March 22, 2026 report from Forbes, there are still 7 high-paying remote jobs that can fully fund a digital nomad lifestyle, but they require deep technical or management expertise. Forbes, 2026-03-22. We are seeing a massive shift from generalist roles to specialist consulting. If you are still billing hourly for tasks that an AI can handle, you are in a race to the bottom. To stay afloat, you must transition your income into one of 3 specific high-moat streams that protect you from the 2026 volatility while leveraging global tax structures like the territorial systems in Panama or Malaysia. The first stream is specialized, high-ticket consulting, specifically in fields like cybersecurity, AI operations, and international tax compliance. These roles aren't just jobs, they are essential business functions that companies refuse to cut even during a slowdown. By structuring this through a Wyoming LLC, a non-US nomad can effectively pay 0 US tax on global service income. So, for Americans, this stream allows you to maximize the foreign earned income exclusion, which heading into 2027 is projected to be roughly $130,000. Year 3, 4. The key is to stop selling your time and start selling a solution that costs a client $10,000 but saves them $100,000. This high-margin approach ensures that even with fewer clients, your net take-home pay remains higher than your 2025 peak. The second stream isn't a job at all. It's your portfolio yield leveraged through extreme geographic arbitrage. In 2026, many nomads are moving to the 8 cities highlighted by Forbes to lower their burn rate without sacrificing quality of life. Forbes, 2026-03-30. According to Numbeo, the world's largest crowdsourced cost of living database, living in a hub like Chiang Mai or Medellin allows you to survive on a safe withdrawal rate that would be impossible in London or New York, 5-6. If you can live well on $2,000 a month, you only need a portfolio of $600,000 to be effectively retired under the 4% rule, Sarni. If this is saving you money, hit like. It helps more nomads find this channel. By shifting from a high-cost hub to a territorial tax country, you turn your investments into a primary income stream that the freelance slowdown cannot touch. The third stream is the most resilient: intellectual property and digital product royalties. Unlike freelance work, IP earns money while you sleep. This includes digital courses, software as a service, and book royalties. In 2026, this is the golden ticket for residency, because many countries like Portugal with its D7 visa specifically look for passive income rather than active salary. Note that while the original NHR was reformed in 2024 into the narrower IFISI regime, technical and scientific IP still receives preferential treatment, STI. By creating an asset once and selling it globally, you decouple your income from the limited freelance hours available in a contracting economy. Use a brokerage like Interactive Brokers to keep your royalty-generated wealth in accumulating ETFs like VWCE to defer taxes and build long-term stability heading into 2027, 8-9. The secret to 2026 survival isn't just what you earn, but where you keep it. You must use a robust banking stack of EMIs like Wise and Revolut for daily operations, but never keep your life savings there as they lack deposit insurance, 10-11. Instead, move your safety stream into a non-CRS banking jurisdiction or a Tier 1 global custodian, 8-12. As of June 2026, the IRS and other tax authorities are increasing their use of common reporting standard data to track nomads who haven't properly established a tax home. Ensure you are following the 183-day rule to avoid becoming a tax resident in a high-tax country by accident. By combining specialized consulting, portfolio yield, and IP royalties, you create a diversified income stack that makes the current slowdown irrelevant to your personal bottom line. You now have the 3-stream blueprint to survive the 2026 slowdown and protect your nomad wealth. But an income stream is useless if your tax structure is leaking cash every month. In my next video, I'm revealing the 3 offshore LLC structures that cost under $500 to set up and are fully compliant with the latest 2026 rules. Subscribe so you don't miss it. It's the final piece of your borderless wealth puzzle.